Hi guys, this is first class of SEO full course. What is SEO? SEO is the process of visibility, of improving your website visibility on search engine. Suppose if you have a sneaker store, SEO helps your store appear on the search engine and more traffic. Sneakers. If you write sneakers price in Bangladesh, then SEO helps your site appear in the first. And main goal is to get more traffic, more sell. SEO will help. This is SEO. Then next question, why a buyer do SEO? Why a buyer do SEO? A buyer do SEO mainly traffic, sell. First is sell, then traffic, then branding that website. If a coaching center owner wants to appear in the top, suppose if a student searches A-level coaching in Bangladesh, A-level coaching in Dhaka, a coaching center wants to appear in the first, and SEO will help to improve that position or appear in the first. Then what is search engine? Search engine is a tool that helps user to find information by crawling, indexing. To get information, to find information, search engine help. If a user writes something, then that user can get information, and search engine helps appear that information. What is search box? What is search box? This is called search box. This is Google search engine search box, another one search box, and it may be Bing search box. Bing is also another search engine. When a user type here shoes or photo editor, free photo editor, this is called keyword. What is keyword? This is keyword. Free photo editor. Free photo editor is the keyword. It may be only free photo or only photo, a word or more word. Both are known as keyword. Then traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is very common and relevant thing for SEO. Number of person, number of people. When number of people coming to website or visiting website, they are known as visitor. They are traffic. Anyone you can say. For what a website rank? For what a website rank in Google or another search engine? This is for 4 things. Mainly 4 things. Relevant keyword and content. It may be content. Relevant keyword, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, that means backlink. Technical SEO, that means performance, mobile visibility, speed load, and content. Keyword. Everything is related to rank your website. Types of SEO. There are 3 types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO. On-page SEO. On-page SEO, when some elements, you will do something in your website, then it is called on-page. It may be post, link, menu, optimize menu bar, optimize post, optimize content. Everything known as on-page SEO. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, when other website, this website link with other website, or this website link share with social media platform, then it is called backlink. Then technical SEO. Someone write this keyword and click here. Then website appears in the as soon as possible. Then it is load speed is good. It takes more time to open website. Then visitor will not be interested that website, and performance will be decreased. This is technical SEO. Analytics, Search Console. It is also a part of technical SEO. Schema markup, mobile friendliness, broken link buildings also include technical SEO. We will see it step by step. This is basic concept of SEO.